Okay, we're going to have some cabbage 4-packs today, and basically what a cabbage 4-pack is, you just take a head of cabbage, wash it real good and cut it in quarters. And I took an onion, and it's a nice sweet white onion, Vidalia I think, and about a quarter stick of butter. Take and drizzle some olive oil on it, and then salt and pepper it like that. Just take and roll it up, twist it up into a boat, and we're going to set it up here on our top grill. Got the pork steaks going here. And so we'll let those grill for about 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes like that in a full pack. And we'll have cabbage 4-pack here shortly. Alright, well, it's been about 45 minutes on this 4-pack cabbage here. Cabbage in a 4-pack. Let's take and pull one of these dudes. Man, their juice is dripping. Let's just see what this looks like. That's pretty hot. Look at that. 4-pack cabbage. There's that onion, and it's cooked up nicely. Just to recap, all we did was took a head of cabbage and cut it in a quarter. Took an onion and cut it in a quarter. And we rubbed olive oil on it and put a little salt and pepper on it. And then we added a quarter stick of butter. Wrapped it in our 4-pack. Just wrapped it real good at the top, rolled it up, set it on our gas grill, and we grilled it at about 240 degrees for about 45 minutes. And so there you have cabbage in a 4-pack. Now the thing about this is you can do this with all sorts of things. You can get creative. You can use any kind of vegetable you want. You can add summer sausage or potatoes. It doesn't matter, whatever you like. And you can put those in a 4-pack and cook them on a grill while you're having your grill for your meat and everything hot and ready. So there you have it. It's Mr. Cast Iron over here. Thank you for watching 4-pack cabbage.